What's up, guys? It's dyno day, or doomsday, whichever day. The car's probably gonna die, whatever, we'll see. So 1.5J, I'm going down to STP Motorsports with Harry Turbo, better known as HT Tune, or better known as Harry Turbo, not sure, but he's a cool guy. He's gonna put the car on the dyno and he's gonna see what we can push out of this. We're only going to be doing 93 octane today because E85 is a longer process. So just for time constraints, we're just going to stick with 93 today just to get everything good and buttoned up before we can push some more numbers. So if we can get to like 450 or so, I'll be happy with that. But we'll see what it gets to with 93. So here we go. Man, the 240 looks so good. Cannot wait to see it on the track if it makes it off the dyno. Oh, this is nerve-wracking, but we'll see what happens. So we've successfully made it to the dyno here at STP Motorsports. The car is just sitting on the dyno itself right now. It's not strapped in yet. We're here with Mr. Harry.
Gonna make some magic happen today.
Let's see what happens. Hopefully it's gonna be some positive, good numbers. Probably not.
You know, I like to pump it first and make sure.
Yeah. So we're at 408, and that's not even done yet.
So I got a fuel. What side of fuel will probably go like the 380?
380?
Yeah.
Okay.
We want fuel.
So at the moment, we're reading 421 at the wheel, and there's still some tuning left to do. And it's at 17 PSI instead of the 24 PSI that it took for the 1J to make 393. So far we're looking good. The 3-liter displacement and possibly the addition of the actual inlet itself for the turbo filter, I think that's made a difference. Adding some correction for the air temperature.
I'm doing cylinder correction because what I noticed, because of your intake design, more air goes to number 6, then 5, then 4. It's like
it overshoots
here,
the rest.
And then a little bit here, a little bit there, and then number 1, 2, and 3 ballast.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6 is the most dangerous cylinder. So I'm adding the cylinder correction feature. All right. And then reboot the ECU.
Bobby has so much power for drifting.
Hey,
I gotta take you guys on a ride.
Yeah, he has all the cojones. I'm gonna do a test to see how much horsepower we do. All right, that's to keep that cylinder cool, all right?
Nice and cool. Okay.
And then this right here, I'm gonna do 2.5. Right? I already wrote in the number. I just decided to go listen a little bit more. 1.5. Because when the boost enter a chamber, when you have runners, it has to fill up this cylinder first, and then it starts to compressor.
Whatever is left.
Is that left? So 6 always get the most, then 5, then
6
4.
always runs richest though.
Leanest.
Leanest?
Leanest to get the most boost, most air. That's why when it is that intake, you notice the end of the runner is further out past the runner to keep the air from filling up this cylinder. When I make intake, I never end the what do you call it? The surge tank
Right at the
edge. So this will go more like this. So when the air comes, it bounce like this and try to create balance.
I got you.
The 2J, there's always so if you have that problem, that will keep that cylinder cooler.
I got you.
And then you probably see a difference in your air temp also. I mean, your water temp also.
Because it's cooling down.
Yeah, exactly. You know, EGT is what's best to use.
Yeah.
But since the EGT, you gotta, I told so many times, I kind of have an idea.
Yeah.
Normally I put this like 4%, but I want to start light since it's a small turbo, and then I might increase it and see. But I gotta watch the horsepower gain or loss.
Yeah.
You know, I know we're gonna lose a little something because I have some fuel. If I go like 450, 449, I have no problem with that.
Yeah, let's see. Fuck yeah, man. I'm scared. So we have 455, 517, or 505. Not exactly sure which one's which right now, but
I didn't want to go back to back. I wanted to mission. I was more concerned with consistency.
yeah.
And we made what, 5 passes, the same number, and also added fuel to the rear cylinder.
Yeah,
It's 5%
so it doesn't
up.
starve it or heat it up or heat soak anything now. I think we're good. So we have, I'm not sure which one it is, 454, 456?
Yeah, 454 is the last run.
Okay,
Because
454.
I had the fuel here, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had the fuel.
We have the 517 torque, so it's running like a damn diesel.
Yeah. But after a while, you start to leave it though.
Yeah.
So a while, the torque is a big torque. Once it starts to reach like 600 horsepower.
Yeah, you start to feel it do this.
No. It just the torque stabilizes. It don't overshoot the horsepower.
Yeah.
It's just because you have a small turbo, it happens. Look, what happened now, if you, let's say you have those guys who do with power, let's say you have a turbo to make 750, which is like an X369.
Yeah.
I see X366 above on the billet wheel. You'll notice that at 505, that's at 454, the torque will be around like maybe 425
Yeah.
or the same.
So you say it's gonna save like that pretty much, the 517?
Yeah, right here. But now when you have bigger turbo, the turbo coming later. So
Yeah.
you pass that threshold where the cams chip in, and when you put bigger cams, the torque always drops. I mean, it's not gonna be like this. It is what it is. You know?
Yeah.
But for a small turbo, you always see this. And you have the 3 liter. So
3 liters now. All right. So here's a little trick on how to close your window if you have a trailer that the door hits the fender. So other than cutting the fender off, and you have to climb through the window, but the power wire for the window motor itself, you disconnect it from the chassis side, and you have the window motor just sitting there. So you put 2 wires in, lead them out the door. You have a battery here. And so what you do is just run the wire, swap them if you want to go up or down. So it wants to go up. And that's it. Windows are up. You just leave it like that and just go on your merry way. So it's a little trick for you guys that have the fenders, or the fenders in the way.